I want to say thank you to Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils for sponsoring this little braid out tutorial video for you guys. Y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel again and again and again and again. And if you're new here, welcome. So we're just going to jump right into my first braid out ever. So as you can see, I've had part of my hair already done. I'm going to wet it and I'm going to put more of my deep conditioner by Aunt Jackie's called the Cocoa Repair Coconut Cream Deep Conditioner. Then I'm going to take my Denman brush because I feel like my braid out should be thoroughly detangled, which means more than just my finger detangling that I already did in the shower. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and take this Coconut Cream Recipes Curl Boss Coconut Curling Jelly and put that throughout my hair. Now you can find these products Walmart, Target, online. I have it all linked below just in case you need some help or you want to order online on their website. I have it all linked down in the description box for you. So yeah, I'm making sure that this product is thoroughly, distributed throughout my whole hair section. I didn't do big braids and I didn't do small braids either, but I feel like this came out perfect for me. I left out my little curl on the side that I always use. And yeah, so this white gunk that you see here, I'm just gonna wipe it off with my microfiber towel. I can leave it here, that's fine, but I just want my hair to dry a little faster, so I'm going to wipe this down and smooth it through my hair so that my hair can dry a lot faster, because sometimes it takes a long time, like more than 24 hours. So yeah, this is just a speed round of me doing this to this whole side of my head. Alright y'all, I had 12 braids total, which is not bad. It only took me about 30 minutes to braid up my hair and make sure everything's detangled. I'm going to take my satin scarf, put it around the top of my head so the flyaways stay flat, and then I'm going to stretch my curls with some rubber bands real quick and then put my bonnet over it so that they can dry and set overnight. Then the next morning, I'm going to do my takedown. And y'all, for my first braid out ever, this came out so much better than I expected it. And I wasn't even going in tripping or worrying that this would come out. I don't like to do a lot of protective styles because I feel like it's like a 50-50. You never know how it can come out. But the consistency of the deep conditioner was thick enough and it gave me moisture that lasted, which is why I used it. And then the Curl Boss Coconut Curling Jelly left me with soft hold, which didn't leave no crunch, no flakes, anything. So it came out with this pretty wavy texture that I've never seen my hair in before, which is pretty cool, and kept me moisturized and wasn't as heavy as those gels that you see out there with the max hold. So after this, I'm gonna go ahead and separate this, give me a little bit more volume. I kept my hair parted in the middle so that I could possibly put it in a low bun and stuff like that throughout the week. So yeah. Please check out my social media and don't forget to check out Aunt Jackie's social media. It'll be linked down below. And make sure you check out the Aunt Jackie Taught Me hashtag to see other influencers and other ways that these products have been used. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Everything's linked down below and I'm just going to let the video play out and I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you at my next one. Bye!